Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, power driver seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.